without spending a fortune at the dentist or buying expensive whitening strips? Today, I'm going to show you a simple, affordable method that costs only a few dollars and effectively removes stains caused by coffee, tea, red wine, or natural aging. But that's not all. Stick around because after sharing this easy recipe, I'll also talk about oil pulling, an ancient practice that promotes oral health, and a fascinating connection between gum health and overall well being, the two key ingredients for whiter teeth. To get started, you only need two things. One baking soda. This gentle, non abrasive powder helps scrub away surface stains and plaque. You can find it at almost any store for just a couple of dollars. Two, hydrogen peroxide 3% or less. This mild solution releases oxygen, which helps break down stains on your teeth. Be sure to use the kind labeled 3% or lower. Anything stronger can be too harsh. Did you know that many store-bought whitening products contain hydrogen peroxide? The difference is they charge you a premium for it, while this method is much more budget-friendly. How to make and use this DIY whitening paste. 1. Take a small container and add 1 teaspoon of baking soda. 2. Add 3 drops of 3% hydrogen peroxide to the baking soda. 3. Add 8 drops of water to dilute the mixture. 4. Mix thoroughly until you get a smooth paste. 5. Apply the paste to your toothbrush and gently polish your teeth for about 1 to 2 minutes. 6. Rinse thoroughly with water. Because this method uses a lower concentration than professional treatments, you'll need to repeat it 2 to 3 times a week for a few weeks to see noticeable results. It's a gradual, safe approach that won't harm your enamel or gums. Now that we've covered teeth whitening, let's talk about something equally important: oil pulling and how it benefits your oral health. Oil pulling, a natural oral detox. You may have heard of oil pulling, a practice where people swish coconut oil in their mouths for about 10 to 20 minutes. But why do they do it? This method dates back centuries and was originally done using sesame oil. However, coconut oil is a more popular choice today because of its mild taste and powerful antibacterial properties. Coconut oil is rich in lauric acid, which helps fight bacteria, fungi, and even the microbes responsible for bad breath. In fact, a study published in the Indian Journal of Dental Research found that oil pulling is just as effective as prescription mouthwash in reducing gingivitis. For best results, try oil pulling 3 times a week. Simply swish a tablespoon of coconut oil in your mouth and then spit it out. Never swallow it, as it collects toxins and bacteria. The connection between sugar, vitamin C, and gum health. Now, let's dive into something even more fascinating: the link between sugar, vitamin C, and your gums. Sugar and vitamin C have a similar chemical structure, which means they compete for absorption in the body. Consuming too much sugar can block vitamin C from doing its job, which is crucial for collagen production and gum health. Ever noticed your gums bleeding when flossing? That could be an early sign of vitamin C deficiency. In severe cases, it can lead to a condition called scurvy, which weakens gum tissue. Loose gum tissue allows harmful bacteria to enter the bloodstream, increasing the risk of issues like heart disease and even cognitive decline. Did you know that dental bacteria have been found in arterial plaque and even in the brains of Alzheimer's patients? That's why keeping your mouth healthy is about more than just a nice smile. It's essential for overall well-being. Final thoughts. Taking care of your teeth doesn't have to be expensive or complicated. With a simple DIY whitening paste, oil pulling, and mindful nutrition, you can improve your oral health naturally. If you found this helpful, leave a comment below with your results.